mga love story, pag-ibig, pagmamahal na hindi makakalimutan, kailan pa man ang iyong kwentong pag-ibig. Where do I begin to tell the story of how great the love can be? The sweet love story that is older than the sea. The simple truth about the love she brings to me. Where do I start? With her first hello, she gave the meaning to this empty world of mine. There'll never be another love, another time. She came into my life and made it fine. She fills my heart. She fills my heart with very special thing, with angel song, with wild imagining. She fills my soul with so much love that anywhere I go, I'm never lonely when here around. Who could be lonely? I reach for her hand, it's always there. How long does it last? Can love be measured by the hours and the day? I have no answers now, but this much I can say. I know I'll need her till the stars all burn away, and she'll be there. How long does it last? Cannot be measured by the hours in a day. I have no answers now, but this much I can say. I know I'll need her till the stars all burn away.